2022 Rolls-Royce Phantom. There is two T30s right here, T20 behind here, and a T20 behind here, and then you're just going to pull from the bottom. And then when you're going to pull it up, you want to make sure you tape this part right here, because this metal can scratch this pillar. All right. Move this handle back, open this little door. There's a T20. Use hand tools on this vehicle. You don't want to use an impact or anything like that. Alright. And definitely remember where the screws go. You do not want to mess this up. Okay. And then here, I'm just going to simply lift up. There's a clip right here. Just disconnect that. This in a safe spot. T20 right here. Alright, then you're going to get a 90-degree pick, and you're going to place it right inside here behind this little leather piece, and you need to scoop this out just like that. It's with double-sided tape. Try not to put too much pressure right here. You're going to mess up the leather. Just pull this up gingerly. Double-sided tape. That is a T30 right here. Okay. And then I'm going to start pulling the panel from the bottom perimeter right there. All right. These screws are a little bit longer than normal ones, so you got to keep turning them counterclockwise, and then put your finger in there. Need some pressure to take it out. But this is what they look like. Almost there, little buddy. Alright, just gonna get my cart and pull up. Go. Alright. All that's loose. And you're just gonna pull it from here. Careful with the tension. Don't want to scratch this. Stubborn. There we go. There we go. Pop this out. There we go. All right, ready for bottom loading.